how you can change your Instagram font size. Now, to change the Instagram font size, you will have to change your entire system's font size too, and I'll teach you guys how to do that. But before that, if you're new to our channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, this is really simple, and to change the font size, what you first need to do is just change the font size of your entire system. So I'll teach you guys how to do that. So this is the initial, this is the size of my Instagram font right now. And to change this, what I'm gonna do is just go to my settings. And in my settings, if I scroll down a bit, there I will see the display and brightness option. Go there, and there you will see the text size. Now from here, you can increase the text size. And after you've increased the text size, just go back to your Instagram, and you can see that the text size has been increased too. Now this is how you increase the font size in your Instagram. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and subscribe if you have not yet.